Wait, did I just bring this 50-year-old photo back to life in under 10 seconds? In this video, I'm going to show you an incredible software that enhances your photos. But that's not all. It has so many amazing features including background replacement. The tool is called UniConverter, and they recently launched the newest version 17.2. You can find it on your browser and download it easily. So here I'm in UniConverter. This is the main interface. Let's go to Image, then Image Enhancer. On the right side, you'll see all the AI models available. To get started, simply upload your image by clicking here. First, I have this beautiful picture, but as you can see, the quality is pretty poor. It might not bother you on screen, but when you print this image, you'll definitely notice. So let's enhance it. I'm going to turn on Auto Enhancer and hit Preview. And there you have it. Just look at the before and after. The quality has increased dramatically. But we are not done yet. Now let's turn on Image Upscaler. Here's the cool part. You don't have to export and re-upload anymore. With the new update, you can use both models simultaneously. Just hit Preview and look at the result. Now you can enhance any blurry or low quality photo within seconds. To save it, simply select your location and click Export All. Next, I have this picture. And as you can see, it's blurry and pixelated. To fix that, let's use Face Enhancer first. Here is the result. It removes the pixelation but adds some blurriness. To fix that, let's export the image first. Then we will re-upload that exported image. To fix the blurriness, I'm going to use this newest advanced model Clarity and Light Enhancement. Here I'm selecting Blur Correction. And there you have it. I don't even need to explain. The result speaks for itself. Finally, the image you have all been waiting for. Fixing a normal image is easy, but what about this? Don't worry, UniConverter has the solution. It has another cutting-edge model, Advanced Old Photo Repair. Just select Old Photo Clarity Boost and hit Preview. And just like magic, it restores all the details. I should mention that this new model uses Nano Banana Pro, currently the best image model in the world. It restores the quality, but what about color? No problem, just export the image first, then upload it here again. Now we are going to use another model, Photo Colorization. It also uses the Nano Banana Pro model, so you get the best possible results. Just look at this transformation. All I can say is thank you UniConverter for helping people restore memories that were fading away with time. And people are saving so much money too. Photo restoration used to be expensive, but now you can do it yourself. There are other AI models you can use as well, but I prefer this newest one. Okay, now let's move on to another feature of UniConverter, Watermark Remover. You can generate AI images for free these days, but there is always Watermark. But don't worry, this Watermark Remover takes care of that easily. As you can see, this image was generated using Gemini AI. To remove the watermark, just go to Auto Remove, select Watermark and click Remove and Preview. And there you have it. Finally, we have Batch Image Editor. Here you can crop, resize and use AI tools on multiple images at once. Let me show you an example. I have these 3 images and I want to replace their backgrounds. I'll just go to Replace Background and select any background I like. For example, I like this one. I'll select it and apply it. And within seconds, it's ready and precisely positioned. And this is not for just one image. You can do this for tons of images at once. Let me show you another background. As you can see, it matches the image with the background perfectly. When you are done, you can easily export all the images. So that's it guys, I only cover a few useful features, but there are so many tools and features that will be helpful for you. UniConverter is an all-in-one software for audio, video, text and image. You can find the link in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.